Hi everyone! Today we're going to do something really simple and creative, arranging flowers. It's such an easy, quick way to brighten up your home and add a personal touch. So let's get started. Step 1. Pick your flowers. Start by purchasing some flowers. You don't need anything fancy. I usually go for 2 small, affordable bouquets from the supermarket. Choose 2 different colours that complement each other and work well with your home decor. Step 2. Prep the flowers. Unwrap the bouquets and cut the stems at an angle to help them absorb water. Set one flower aside for later. Step 3. Choose your vase and arrange. Fill your favourite jug or vase with water. Now start arranging your flowers. Play around with the placement until you're happy with the mix of colours and textures. I like to place my flowers against a dark wall for a nice contrast. Arrange them so that no 2 same colours are beside each other wherever possible. This allows for a diversity of hue and it creates nice bursts of colour and vibrancy. Step 4. Add a ribbon. A simple trick to elevate your arrangement is to use a ribbon. I'm using an old one recycled from gift wrap. Tie it around the vase. A simple knot works fine, but if you have enough length, a bow adds a nice finishing touch. Remember that flower you set aside? Let's put it to use. Grab a smaller vase, cup or glass, and fill it with water. Add your single flower, and there you are. You've got a second charming little arrangement to display elsewhere in your room. And that's it. 2 beautiful displays with minimal effort, and a room that feels more alive with nature. Enjoy the beauty and happy arranging.